Good day everyone, welcome to another section of our training. I still remain DOLA Graphics. So today we'll be talking about the Whiteboard Animation toolkit. So after clicking on the link which has been sent to the group, this page is going to open on your Chrome. So the first thing to do is to click on this hamburger menu up here. So when you click on it, you'll be told to sign in. So you have to sign in into the Whiteboard Animation toolkit using your Gmail account or your Google account. So after signing up, it's going to automatically bring you back to this page. Then you click on this button here, which is create now. So when you click on it, it's going to bring in some animations. So you must always make sure that your data connection is perfect because you need a very good data connection to do this good. So it's going to bring out three submenus. We have the start from scratch, type your story, and template. Now the start from scratch, that means you are going to be creating each animations yourself, that is each template. While the type your story, in the type your story aspect, you are going to type in all what you want to say or you want the animation video to have. Then the Whiteboard Animation Toolkit app is going to put in the required animation for you. Then the last one is the template, that is the template is already made, so you just have to change the written text. But now we are going to be talking